Promises, promises. Using first conditional to make promises in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on learning intermediate English grammar. Today, we're diving into a practical application of the first conditional, making promises. Promises are an integral part of our everyday conversations, and it's essential to express them accurately and confidently in English. Let's unlock the promise of fluency together. Before we begin, let's recap the first conditional. The first conditional is a structure we use to talk about possibilities in the present or the future, things which might happen. It's composed of two parts. The condition, if plus present simple. The result, will plus infinitive. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Here, the condition is, if it rains, and the result is, I will stay at home. Now, let's talk about promises. A promise is a commitment by someone to do or not do something. In English, we often use the first conditional to make a promise about the future. This is because a promise is a sort of deal or contract, based on a condition and a result. For instance, if a friend needs help moving, you might say, if you need help, I will come over. You're promising to help under the condition of them needing it. Let's look at some examples of how we can use the first conditional to make promises in everyday conversations. 1. To a friend. If you lend me your car, I will fill up the gas tank. 2. To a child. If you finish your homework, I will let you play video games. 3. To a coworker. If you cover my shift today, I will cover yours next week. Notice that in all of these examples, a specific condition is given, followed by a commitment, the promise. To help solidify your understanding, let's go through some practice exercises. Fill in the blanks with your own promise. 1. If you give me a good book recommendation, I will, blank. 2. If you help me study for the test, I will, blank. 3. If you make dinner tonight, I will, blank. Pause the video here and take your time to complete these. You can always replay this section if you need more practice. And that's how we use the first conditional to make promises in English. We hope this lesson has made your understanding of English conditionals even more robust. Remember, practice is the key to fluency. Keep practicing these examples in your daily conversations to master the first conditional. We're excited to continue this English learning journey with you. Until next time, happy studying!